Wendy Jean here. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome. I'm so excited because I have another new box to my channel, and that is GLOSSYBOX. I've wanted GLOSSYBOX for a while, and if you don't know about GLOSSYBOX, it is a beauty box that comes with makeup, skincare, hair care. It's a monthly box. It has a retail value of $75 or more. And you're supposed to get 5 items in your box. They're supposed to be deluxe trial size items, but I have seen full size. So, but when I was online, that's what it had said. So we'll see what's in here this month. And the box runs $21, but you can get it all the way down to $17.50 if you pay the year in advance. Now I committed to a year, but I will be paying it monthly, so I'm getting it for $18. They have different plans, so whatever way you want to go. They even have 3 months, 6 months, and so on. So, but I did commit to a year, but pay it monthly, so I got it for $18. And well, my first box, this box, I got actually $5 off because I had a code, so I got it for $13, and then there's tax. So, but that was good. Now, I noticed that they have variations. Mine had said variation 1. I did not know they come in variations. Let me know if you get this box already. Let me know if that's something new. Mine says variation 1. I already took the tab off, so let's open it. Now this month, it's not in their iconic pink box, because I guess I heard that like every other month or something like that, they have a special box. So this month, the theme is Perfectly Imperfect, but it's still their hard box, it looks like. And it says GLOSSYBOX on it. And then this is the back. Cute little heart. It looks like there's some coupons in here. This is $25 off velveteyewear.com. And then here it looks like there's 20% off your first order of $100 or more on some bras by Pepper. So let's see what's inside. Well, this is cool. It says, "You are beautiful." And it looks like it's in different languages. And it looks like it's a mirror. I don't know if this, oh yeah, you take this off. That's cool. Huh, that's neat. And it has their box with their ribbon. So I'm so excited. And here's their product card. Has their prices and everything. And it has tissue with a little sticker, pretty peach color. It has some squigglies. And then there's some stickers too. Here's some stickers. So let's read what it says. It says, "Hey Glossies, at Glossy HQ, we love trying out the newest must-have cosmetics and experimenting with trending techniques. But our aim is always to help every Glossy feel as happy and confident as possible, with or without their beauty bag to hand. Forget perfect, forget beauty ideals. We want you to truly feel wonderful in your own skin and embrace every little bit of yourselves. From the parts you adore to the imperfections you may not always feel so thrilled about. And this month's curation is here to help. Okay, the first item up is by the Beauty Crop, and it is the BFF Brow Mascara. It's the Grow and Groom Brow Gel. It says, whether you're going full glam or a no makeup look, we can all feel a little more confident with well-groomed brows. The small yet mite gel is completely clear, making it suitable for all hair colors. And the super strong hold lets you style your brows however you want, and you'll know that you're going to stay put. And the MSRP is $8.99. So that's nice. Let's see. And this is what it looks like. Cute little hearts on it. So I got a brow gel. The next item up is by Aceology, and that was a full size, by the way. This is a deluxe mini. It says Rose Petal Mask from the face mask specialist at Aceology. This hydrating multi-use rose petal mask is perfect for your next self-care day. The rose water rich formula helps to plump skin while soothing redness or irritation. Plus, the silky lightweight gel also works wonderfully as a moisturizing sleeping mask. And it has an MSRP of $19. So that's kind of pricey for this, but mask. The next item up is also a full size. It is by Invisidry. It's shampoo. It's by Maria Nyla. Sorry. And it's an Invisidry shampoo. Meet your new hero dry shampoo. This ultra lightweight formula is practically invisible in your hair, yet easily absorbs oils, leaving you with that just washed feeling. As an added bonus, the Color Guard Complex also helps protect your hair from UV radiation, preserving your color for longer. And it has a $22 MSRP. And wow, that's expensive for a dry shampoo. Because this is, it looks like it's 3.4 ounces. Anyways, got that. Then the next item up, oh, this is full size too. So this is our third full size. That's cool. This is by Daily Concepts, and it is a daily body scrubber. Show yourself some extra TLC every time you shower. This body scrubber is made from soft, natural, organic cotton with a soy-based center to create a rich lather when partnered with your favorite body wash. The gentle exfoliation is a great way to wake up and boost your circulation. And this has an MSRP of $10. So I got a body scrubber. So that's nice. And it says it's cruelty-free. And then the last item in the box is by Elemis. That's a good brand. It's the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. It's 30 mLs. And it says part of the cult favorite Pro Collagen range, this luxurious gel cleanser effectively removes daily grime, makeup, and impurities, leaving skin with a youthful glow. There is succinic I don't know how to say it, succinic acid, lactic acid, and ferulic. I don't know how to say that either. ferulic acid inside to help gently exfoliate and moisturize your complexion. And that has an MSRP of $18. So, yeah. So I'm going to put on the screen what the total value of the box is. Like I said, they said it's supposed to be $75 or more. So I got the Elemis cleanser. I got the brow gel. I got the mask. I got the dry shampoo. And I got the body scrubber. So I'm happy about my first box. Let me know what you thought about the May box. And let me know if you get this box. And until next time, bye.